I want it to work, but it will fail, and here's why. You said to yourself, I want a relationship, but I want it to work. But the expectation of wanting it to work has already set you up to fail because you have not specified who or what it is, nor what work really means. That's because the mind uses pronouns to blame in order to avoid responsibility. It, in the I want it to work, is a pronoun, and all pronouns need specific people, places, or things to reference. And without that specific reference, the pronoun has no ability to be. That specific reference is called a proper noun. So it cannot be anything because it has no idea what it is. So it is left to the mercy of any thought or any feeling that happens to cross its path. Now, work is a verb, and the job of a verb is to move proper nouns. But the verb work has no noun to move because it is a pronoun and it does not refer to anything. So work does nothing because it doesn't know what it is. So the mind uses pronouns to avoid personal responsibility. In the case of I want it to work, the mind is purposely being obtuse, vague, and imprecise in order to shift the focus off of itself onto some other indefinite being or thing. As long as it remains elusive and work is ambiguous, no one has to take responsibility. Certainly not you. And since you don't have to take responsibility, you cannot be blamed for the failed relationship. So in truth, I want it to work says, I want the other person to meet my expectations. This is blame. Blame says, I want the other person to do all the work to meet my standards and expectations so that I can take credit for and have the experience of a successful relationship without having to do anything. Any list of traits or behaviors created for the perfect mate are hidden agendas of avoiding responsibility and insisting the other person change so we can be happy. The only thing within your control is you. At the very core of your being, you innately know that your successful relationship is only contingent upon your attitude, behavior, and your effort. So if you want it to work, take your list of a perfect person and apply those standards to yourself. Work to become the ideal partner for you. Your happiness, contentment, and success is completely within your control. For more tips to take control of your life, subscribe and hit the thank you thumb. Namaste.